Buried in the dark soil of France, the Black Winter Truffle is the diamond of the kitchen. Today, Apex Essence captures its soul.
We begin with X-ray density scanning. A premium truffle must be firm and dense, indicating a high concentration.
Cleaning is a delicate art. We use medical-grade dry brushing to remove debris without damaging the peridium, the protective outer skin.
In deep cleaning, we use ultrasonic waves at 40 kHz to create microscopic cavitation bubbles that lift the finest particles of soil from every crevice.
To maximize surface area for infusion, we slice the truffles into 500-micron slivers using a cryogenically cooled titanium blade.
Look at the marbling. These veins are where the peak concentration of 2.4 dithiapentane resides.
Our base is a neutral flavor extra virgin olive oil, low in acidity, under 0.2%.
This is not a simple soak. We utilize ultrasonic-assisted extraction to accelerate the molecular transfer.
The ultrasonic waves create a microjet effect, pushing the oil deep into the truffle's cellular structure to pull out the essential oils instantly. Oxidation is the enemy. We maintain a 100% nitrogen blanket to protect the delicate aromatic esters from degrading during the infusion. We maintain a constant temperature of exactly 28 Celsius. Any higher, and the most volatile top notes of the truffle would be lost forever. We are not just flavoring, we are re-engineering the oil's molecular profile to mimic the fresh truffle's scent. To achieve diamond clarity, the oil undergoes nanofiltration, removing all solid particles while leaving the aromatic molecules intact. Light can destroy a year's worth of flavor in minutes. We use biophotonic glass to filter out all visible light except for UV and infrared.
For the visual soul, we add a hand-selected sliver of dried truffle to every bottle.
We fill each bottle under a vacuum, followed by a final nitrogen flush to ensure zero oxygen is trapped inside.
Hermetically sealed, tamper-proof, and aroma-locked.
Traceability down to the specific forest in the Périgord region where the truffle was found.
Every bottle is inspected by AI for sediment and color consistency.
When the seal is broken, the room is instantly filled with the scent of a damp autumn forest.
A few drops are enough to transform a dish into a multi-sensory experience.
Our facility operates under ISO cleanroom standards, higher than most food factories.
We ensure our oil remains potent for up to 18 months through precise chemical stabilization.
Zero waste philosophy. Every fiber of the truffle is utilized.
Shipped in armored packaging to protect our liquid gold across oceans. Nature's complex geometry, harnessed by Apex Engineering.
The heat releases the final layer of complexity, earthy, musky, and unforgettable.
Protecting the ecosystem that makes our excellence possible.
Beyond the science, we rely on the human nose for the final approval.
aged for 72 hours post-infusion to allow the flavors to marry perfectly.
Engineering a more efficient infusion through physical innovation.
Apex Essence, the science of the sublime.
Elevating the world's finest cuisines, one bottle at a time. Apex Essence. Nature, molecularly refined. Apex Food. Perfection in every essence.